4.1 question number 9. The question is two poles namely RC and PA, or we can say AP and CR, two poles are standing. Okay, here it should be 90 degree, like it is also 90 degree. Okay, if we join A, R and CB, they intersect at the point Q. They intersect at the point Q. If you join this B and Q, let us consider the distance between B to Q is equal to Y. So now we are going to find the value of Y by using the concept of similar triangle. Okay. So first time we are going to show these two triangles, namely PCA and QCB are similar. Next one, RAC and QAB are similar. Okay, this is the concept. Now I am going to follow this. Listen. Let triangle PCA and triangle QCB this is PCA, the whole triangle. Here 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. QBC. Listen. From the given diagram, we can say angle C is common and angle A equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by using angle similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Angle C is common. Angle A is equal to B is equal to 90 degree. By AA similarity criteria. Triangle PCA similar to triangle QCB. Let's verify it. Angle C equal to angle C. Actually, this is common angle. We know that angle A equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. So it must be same. Angle B equal to angle Q. The corresponding sides PC by QC is equal to CA by CB is equal to PA by QB. Okay, so what is PC? We do not know the value of PC, and CA is given or not. CA is equal to AB plus BC, and CB as it is, and PA is equal to 6 meter, and QB value we are going to find. So from this 2, CA is equal to BC plus DA divided by CB or BC is equal to PA. PA is equal to 6 meter divided by this BQ is Y. So Y of BC plus BA is equal to 6 times BC. How we did this? Cross multiplication. Consider as equation number 1. Okay. Next, in the triangle RAC and QAB, in triangle RAC and right triangle QAB. We can draw the two triangles. First one R A C. C is 90 degree. Small triangle Q A B and B is 90 degree. Here angle A is common. Angle C equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. So angle A is common. Then angle C is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree by angle similarity criteria. Two triangles. What are they? RAC. Similar to triangle QAB. So now the corresponding sides proportional. You know very well. So RA by QA is equal to AC by AB equal to RC by QB. What are the values? We know. First RA to A value is not given. So do not consider that. So move to the second one. AC. AC is equal to AB plus BC. And RC value is given, that is 3 meter. Then QB is Y. So here also I am going to take this and this. So AC. What is AC? Instead of AC, I am going to replace AB plus BC divided by AB equal to RC. RC is equal to 3 meter divided by QB is equal to Y. So AB plus BC into Y cross product is equal to 3 times AB. 3 times AB. So this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, what is 1? Y of BC plus AB equal to 6 times BC, here 3 times AB. So both equations have left hand sides are same. So we can equate their right hand side. So equating 1 and 2. If we equate 1 and 2, what do we get? 6 times BC is equal to 3 times AB. 6 times BC equal to 3 times AB. If you cancel this and this 2 times, so AB is equal to 2 times BC. So what is the value of AB? AB is equal to 2 times BC. Okay. So now we are going to find the value of Y. We are going to find the value of Y. So better we can take this equation. Here AB equal to 2 times BC. AB equal to 2 times BC. If you replace it, substitute in 2. Substitute in 2. So Y of AB plus you can take instead of AB 2 times BC. 2 times BC plus BC is equal to 3 times AB. What is AB? 2 times BC. So 3 into 2 times BC. So Y into 2 times BC plus BC means 3 times BC is equal to 3 into 6 times BC. This BC will be cancelled. Here 1 time, here 2 time. So value of Y is equal to 2 meter. So value of Y is equal to 2 meter. Actually, like this problem is given in example. So in example, they are not giving the values of RC and the PA. They just also find the height of BQ. Height of BQ, that is Y. So if you solve that example problem, you can get the constant result for finding the height between B and the Q. It is very easy. So first you take this triangle. Here you want to show the triangle PCA similar to equations, we can equate them and get the result of y, that is equal to 2 what results without proof related to similar triangles. Okay, so I hope you have sufficient knowledge in the topic similar triangle. What is similar triangle and how do we show the two triangles are similar? These things you have learned in our previous classes. So now we are going to see some important results. First one, if two triangles are similar, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, the ratio of the corresponding sides is equal to ratio of the respective perimeter. So how can we show that? For example, AB corresponds to PQ. The corresponding side AB corresponds to PQ, which is equal to BC corresponds to QR, is equal to AC corresponds to PR, is equal to ratio of the corresponding perimeters. So first triangle perimeter. How to find perimeter? Define perimeter. Perimeter is sum of length of all the sides. So triangle ABC perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. So first AB plus BC plus CA divided by the second triangle perimeter PQ plus QR plus PR. Okay, this is the first result. We can say perimeter. So if two triangles are similar, so the ratio of their corresponding sides is equal to ratio of their corresponding perimeter. Okay, this is first one. Second, area. The same two triangles ABC similar to PQR. Okay, so here the ratio of their area is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Corresponding sides in the sense AB corresponds to PQ. So AB square by PQ square. This AB corresponds to PQ. So AB square divided by PQ square is equal to the second one BC square by QR square. Is equal to the third one AC square divided by PR square. Okay, this is about the area. So if two triangles are similar, ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. See, if area of triangle ABC is given, they are asking to find area of triangle PQR. At the same time, AB and PQ value is given. For example, area of triangle. Example 4.8. Two triangles ABC similar to triangle DEF. Here BC and EF as well as area of triangle ABC is given. Okay, they are asking to find area of triangle DEF. Okay, they said clearly the two triangles are similar. So we can take this result. What is the result? Since the two triangles are similar, therefore the ratio of the area of two triangles, ratio of the area of two triangles. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Let's verify this BC corresponds to EF. BC corresponds to EF given clearly. So BC is equal to 3 cm and EF is equal to 4 cm given. Instead of BC and EF, they can give AB and DE or AC and DF. Okay, but here BC and EF are given. Therefore, we can take the BC square divided by EF square. So ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So we can substitute their values. So area of triangle ABC is given, that is 54 cm square divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC, that is 3 cm. So 3 square divided by EF is equal to 4 square. So 54 divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to 3 square value 9 divided by 4 square value 16. So here can cancel 1 time 6 times. 6 times are 54. So you can multiply them. So area of triangle DEF is equal to 16 into 6. So 10 into 6 is 60, 6 6 are 36, 96. So 96 centimeter square. Example 4.7. This problem related to the first result of perimeter. Okay, we know that if two triangles ABC is similar to triangle PQR means the ratio of the perimeter is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. So ratio of the perimeter, first triangle perimeter, that means sum of length of all the sides AB plus BC plus CA divided by this is second triangle perimeter PQ plus QR plus PR, which is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. So corresponding sides is AB corresponds to PQ, next one BC corresponds to QR, AC corresponds to PR. Okay, so now I can take this result. So first perimeter of triangle ABC is given as well as PQR. Then one of the side PQ is equal to 10 cm. AB, we are going to find the AB. So solution. Okay. So first this one. Perimeter of triangle ABC divided by perimeter of triangle PQR. Okay, so corresponding sides BC, AB and PQ are given. Listen, AB corresponds to PQ. Okay, so we can take that AB by PQ. AB by PQ. So perimeter of triangle ABC is 36 divided by perimeter of triangle PQR is 24 is equal to AB is not given. But PQ value is 10. So what is AB? So AB is equal to 360 divided by 24. If you cancel by 4 table 6 times, here we can cancel by 6 table 4 times, 60 times, again 15. So AB is equal to 15 centimeter. I hope you understand. If you know this result, you can solve like these problems. So here the perimeters of two triangles are given. One of the side is also given. They asked to find another one side. If they have given two sides, any corresponding two sides, then one of the perimeter is given. They asked to find another one triangle perimeter. Like that also we can ask. So the result of AB is equal to 15 centimeter.